Abhyas yog yuktena. Be united by this yoga of abhyas. Abhyas means something which is good, but my mind doesn't enjoy that. Your mind is a typical thing. What is good, it doesn't enjoy, and what is not good, it enjoys. This is a problem with Satyam, Shivam, and Sundaram. What is Satyam in the world, what is Satyam doesn't appear Sundaram to me. And what appears Sundaram to me is not Satyam. Anything good, mind doesn't accept it easily. Know the mind very well. I tell you, mind has to be known very properly. There are so much pressure of the past that mind doesn't accept. It is good. I have heard it about, but I don't enjoy it. Goodness of these scriptures, jap is enjoyed, is very difficult. Puja is enjoyed, people do, is very difficult. Chanting is enjoyed, is very difficult. Shedding off my ego is enjoyed, is very difficult. And what is easy, that is not worth attaining. What I enjoy? Sleeping. What? Sleeping late? Late in the afternoon also I sleep, night also I sleep. What else you enjoy? Eating. So I alternately eat and sleep. I enjoy. A person is known by his taste, not by the work he does. It has its own taste. A person is known especially when he is very relaxed. You find out what he does. If you want to know what is the mind of a person, where his mind goes when he is very relaxed, you can find what it enjoys is not good, what it doesn't enjoy is very good. How to bridge it? Now comes the factor called abhyas. Abhyas is twofold. Curbing in that area is stopping those thoughts where it goes and you are convinced that this is not the right area. First thing, mentally I should be convinced this is not what I am meant for. This is not my zone, I don't want it. I know my intellect is saying, my mind has its habit, but this is not what I really am convinced of. I am telling you, many words we are convinced that this is not good, but it still may continue whole life. All the people who smoke, they are convinced that smoking is injurious, but still they smoke. As much distance is between my conviction and action, so would be the split in my personality. Abhyas is not done. So you didn't stop. When the thought was entertaining the thought of enjoyment, get my point please. Curbing is not at the level of action. When the thought anybody enjoys something, but before that he mentally also already has enjoyed. Supposing you are going to a restaurant for dinner, so mentally what the dishes are in the restaurant, you have already enjoyed it. Unless you enjoy something mentally, you can't go for physical enjoyment. Mentally stopping that thought of enjoyment is one aspect. No, this is not. This is not for. Immediately it is going to become an action. This is not my area. I am not happy after this. This is not mine. And second area is forcing a thought in some direction, where I am very much convinced that this is the right thing. But I don't like it. Where you do it, you will start liking it also. You don't like anything. There is a law of liking also. When you do something for a long time, you start liking it. If you exercise every morning, you start liking exercise only. Pushing the thought in a direction where I am convinced that this is the right thing. But I don't like it. You have to keep your mindfulness. Anything is easy for anybody because he has practiced it. Anything is difficult for anybody because he has not practiced it. And please note, practice is at the level of mind only. Anything can be done. A person can become anybody. A most terrible sinner can become a great saint also. And saint can also become a sinner also. Both ways are possible. Only by the virtue of repetition of thought.